Now, the second capability are what are called embeddings. This is how language models work as well, but instead of an embedding for text and language, what we want to create an embedding for is a given user. And what the underlying data is a sequence of actions, those events in the application and the responses to message and everything you might be tracking about that person. From a human perspective, what an agent is doing is they need these embeddings to almost sort of to mimic a form of collaboration and teamwork. Now, two things are important here. One is you don't want to create an embedding. Does not mean like how many days have you been active in the app, or did you spend over $100 or less than $100? These are really simplified, very generic, kind of simple characteristics. What's happening when you use a mobile app is that every millisecond, it's basically tracking a particular action. And so what you have to do is take that sequential data and convert it into very high-dimensional space that represents somebody. And that's the embedding. But then what that allows is, once you have that representation of a person, an agent then can engage with other agents to run experiments. Experiments are not optional. It doesn't matter how much data you have in the world or how smart your AI is. Nobody knows exactly what you want for lunch in 2 days. But what we can do is run experiments. And if you have a personal assistant who's helping you, they still have to run, they still are asking you, do you like this? Do you like this? Right? And so an agent can't run every possible experience with their person because it's too expensive from the person's attention perspective. So the agent has to, behind the scenes, be able to say, hey, what are the other agents that are dealing with a similar person, a person in similar space in the world, similar space in life, similar space in their journey, so they can run comparisons and run experiments.